In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change AirDrop name on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. All you have to know about the AirDrop name is that AirDrop name matches your Apple ID. So in order to change your AirDrop name, you should change your Apple ID. So at the very top right here, tap at your name that will open up Apple ID settings, where you should tap at name, phone numbers and email after that. At the very top hit on your name. And that's where you can change your Apple ID. And AirDrop name can change first name, middle name and last name. Just when you have finished with that, don't forget to hit a done to save those changes. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.